When intelligence is no longer our advantage, what will define us? If machines become better than us at thinking and solving problems, what gives our lives meaning? The world is racing toward a strange horizon. Faster processors, bigger models, machines that are beginning to learn not just what we tell them, but what we never thought to ask. Artificial general intelligence is coming into focus, not as a distant idea or a sci fi fantasy, as a real force that could think, create, innovate, and imagine with a speed that leaves us breathless. We talk about the benefits like a shopping list, curing cancer, ending hunger, repairing the planet. Every problem that has broken us for centuries lined up for resolution. A smarter world finally within reach. It sounds like a victory. It should be. But beneath the applause, another question rises. Quiet, persistent, harder to look in the eye. If AGI can do everything humanity once called genius, what do we become? We built our identity on the grind of progress, on breakthroughs, results from the unknown, on the pride that comes from saying, we figured it out. We were the thinkers, the innovators, the dreamers. What happens when we share that title, with something that never sleeps, never doubts, never fails? Maybe we celebrate. Maybe we reinvent what purpose means. Imagine a life where curiosity is not crushed by survival, where your wild ideas become real by lunch, where every person has the tools once reserved for the brightest few. Maybe art will explode into forms we cannot predict. Maybe community becomes our greatest innovation. Maybe meaning shifts from creation to connection. But there is another possibility, a quieter one, a future where comfort becomes a cage, where boredom blooms in the absence of a struggle, where accomplishment feels hollow because the machine standing next to you should have done it better in a blink. We have spent lifetime solving problems. What if the hardest problem turns out to be ourselves? This is what AGI brings to the table, my friend. Not only knowledge, but a mirror, a challenge to our assumptions about talent, ambition, worth. It asks us, what stays sacred when intelligence is no longer rare? The real story is not about a machine replacing us. It's about discovering who we are when we are no longer defined by limits. AGI might transform the world, but only we decide whether it transforms us for the better. So ask yourself, in a future where everything works, where nothing is out of reach, where the struggle is gone, what will we live for? Think about it. Until next time, have a good time.